I've been making a game in Godot, and I've got this three match game. Basically, you find three items that match, and then they go away. So it's not quite like a match three game, but it's kind of like a grocery style game I've been seeing. I just wanted to make one that didn't have ads in it. So the way that it works in my game is I've got this array of textures, and whenever you just add a ping to this item list, then it becomes an item in the game. So over here in Blender, basically what I do is I model some item and then I put it inside of these collections. And then when I render the image, then I gotta go to image and then save as, and then I can save it into this folder. And that's how I'm generating the items. But I wanted to automate that a little bit more. So what I did is I made this Python script inside of Blender. Basically, what it does is it gets the current file path for the Blender file, so that's right here. Then it goes back a directory, and then it goes into the items folder. Then it takes this layer collection, which is the main collection here that says scene collection, and it goes through each one of these, and it if it's the environment, then it leaves it alone, and the rest of them it excludes, which means it like turns it off. Then for the rest of them, it turns exclude off, which is like checking that button on. It changes the name of the collection to lowercase, replaces the spaces with dashes, and then it changes the file path. So the file path is over here in the output folder. There's like this file path right there. And then it runs the render button. And like if we just run it, and then we go to our items folder, and you come down here, you see it's 2:17, which is the time right now. And then when we come over to Godot, then we'll see over here that we have, once it imports, there we go. We got two new items. We got these two dusters, so I'll drop those in there, refresh the game, and then start again. And look, now we've got dusters as a possible item type. So that's pretty neat. I learned a thing, and I'll talk to you next time.